Okay. So, this is take one. It will be the only take, one way or another, of catching a wandering garter snake in its natural habitat. I'll move this rock so I don't squish him. Oh no, he's squishing himself. Don't worry, buddy, I got you. Not gonna let you get hurt. There you go. Sorry for disturbing you, my friends. You okay there, buddy? Good? I think he's good. All right. So what you see on this beautiful, beautiful sunset day here, this is actually our third wandering garter snake of the day, but this one is probably the biggest. Nice, good size, probably approaching 2.5, 3 foot adult. Nice and healthy. A great specimen right here. How cool is that?